Here we have a 2025-2026 Isuzu Dmax LSU model, fitted in black Guru Suede front and rear. Start on the front pair, so you have separate headrests. Seat covers are custom made to the shape of the Dmax seat. We go inside the capping. I'll show the driver's side afterwards. Airbag provision on the door sides of the backrest. Airbag provision on the inside of the driver's backrest. You've got your bonus matching center console lid cover. So we're onto the driver's side. As you can see, once again inside the capping, so height adjustment, lumbar are left open and functional with our seat covers fitted. Airbag provision once again on the driver's side. Customer has optioned open access to the map pockets, but you do also have the option to do a full back covering the maps if wanted. Now onto the rear seat. It's a one-piece backrest with split bases, 3 separate headrests, armrest with drink holder left open. As mentioned, the bases are split, so you can see the 60 side is folded up, but the 40 side can also fold vertically as well.